Hi, hello friends, me Dr. Sai Chandra, orthopedic surgeon. In this video today I am going to talk about what are the causes of knee pains, how we are going to deal about that. Usually there are many reasons for knee pains, not just degeneration of the knee joint. The knee pain can happen due to inflammation, trauma, any infection or mechanical problem. So we'll rule out one by one. For any knee pain, we need to ask for history. Is there any history of trauma? The trauma can lead to some cause or some kind of fracture or some torn ligament or some torn meniscus or some patellar tendinitis. So ruling out trauma is very important. We need to examine the patient. We need to examine for the ligaments. How are the ligaments? How is the ACL? How is the PCL, MCL, LCL, PLC? So we examine the knee joint for the meniscus, ligaments. So basically we are trying to rule out any history of trauma related knee pain. Okay friends, so coming to the other cause, it can be due to any inflammatory condition like rheumatoid arthritis or gouty arthritis or pseudo gout due to deposition of crystals in gouty arthritis. As you know, in gouty arthritis, the uric acid crystals get deposited in the knee joint. So here the problem is inflammation of the knee joint. So coming to other causes, we ask for the history of childhood hospital admission in the childhood, so that we are trying to rule out any history of septic arthritis of the knee joint. So we are ruling out rheumatoid arthritis by asking whether there are pains in any other joints of the body, or is there any associated early morning stiffness, multiple joint pains. These two questions we ask to rule out rheumatoid arthritis. We also ask for any history of loss of weight, loss of appetite, evening rise of temperature, chronic cough, if we suspect any COX of the knee joint. So we have ruled out trauma, we have ruled out infection, we have ruled out inflammatory conditions. Then the history itself. We examine the knee joint, we see for the swelling, we see for any effusion, we compare with the opposite side, we see for the wasting of the thigh muscles, we see for any limb length discrepancy, we examine it thoroughly. We also check for the anatomy, the ligaments, the meniscus of the knee joint. So knee pain knee pain is not only due to degeneration of the knee joint. Yes, of course, degeneration of the knee joint, osteoarthritis is the commonest cause of knee pain, but it is not the only cause of knee pain. It can be due to torn meniscus. Sometimes there might not be any history of trauma, but due to degeneration the meniscus can be torn. And we also need to, if the patient doesn't have relief with analgesics and physio, we advise them to get an MRI if we suspect any history of if we suspect any history of any injury to the ligaments. If there is history of trauma, we explain the patient, we show him the anatomy. This can be, there are different ligaments in the knee joint. Okay, so in the X-ray, many people will have this doubt why the doctor is advising an MRI when X-ray has already been done. So the answer is, in the X-ray we see only the bones. We can't see the ligaments, tendons, muscles, capsule, all these things we can't see in the X-rays. So these things can be seen only in the MRI. So MRI gives a complete picture of anatomy of the knee joint. So we advise MRI if we have got any doubt regarding some torn ligament or meniscus. So I hope this video is helpful to you friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.